Welcome to Becoming a Friend of God, where we talk about practical ways to grow closer to God. I want to first start by asking you guys a question. What is the purpose of taking a test? Now, if you're like me, then you probably don't like taking tests, but they're necessary. You see, tests, they reveal. And tests are going to show, did you learn the material or did you not? Well, in James chapter 1, verses 2 through 4, it says this. Count it all joy, my brothers, when you meet trials of various kinds, for you know that the testing of your faith produces steadfastness. And let steadfastness have its full effect, that you may be perfect and complete, lacking in nothing. You see, here James tells us to count it all joy when we go through various trials or tests. And this seems very counterintuitive, but there's a reason why he tells us to count it all joy. The testing of our faith produces steadfastness, which can be defined as firm, unwavering. And when this steadfastness has had its full effect, then you'll be perfect, complete, lacking in nothing. Have you ever heard the saying that you can't trust untested faith? That's kind of what we're getting at here in this passage. You see, you begin to see that maybe they're telling us to count it all joy when we go through tests and trials, because if we embrace the process, then the end result of going through that testing and remaining steadfast is worth being joyful over. You see, the tests that God sends in our life or that he allows in our life, they shape us, they mold us, and they conform us to be more like him. You see, the testings and the trials that we go through, they prune us. The testings and the trials that we go through, they reveal to us, do we really believe what God said? Are we really living in alignment according to his word? I don't care who you are and what you're doing. I don't care if you're a Christian or not a Christian. We all are going to go through storms in life. You see, you're either in a storm right now, you just got out of a storm, or you're getting ready to go into a storm. And these storms, these tests, and these trials, they are meant to strengthen our faith, to make us steadfast and unwavering. But the problem is, a lot of us, when we go through tests and trials, we try to get out of them. And by getting out, we don't allow steadfastness to have its full effect in our lives. And what many of us fail to realize is that if we don't pass the test the first time, guess what? You got to retake it.